When we are in love, we feel that anything is possible and that nothing can stop us. However, over time, passion can decrease and love can become monotonous and routine. To prevent this from happening, it is necessary to cultivate the flame of love and passion so that they remain lit and vibrant. In this text, let's talk about how to keep the flame on in the relationship. 1. Communication is the basis of any healthy relationship. It is important to talk openly with your partner about your feelings, expectations, and desires. It is better to solve problems when they are small than to let them grow and become a bigger problem. In addition, it is important to praise and value your partner, demonstrating that you appreciate your presence in your life. Surprise your partner. To maintain the flame of love and passion, it is important to surprise your partner with romantic and unexpected gestures. You can prepare a surprise for your partner's birthday, organize a romantic dinner, or simply write a sweet ticket to express your feelings. Keep romance alive. To keep the flame on, it is important to keep romance alive. This can be done in many ways, such as going out to dinner in a new place, traveling together for a place they never went, watching a romantic movie together, or just spending time together doing something they like. 4. Try new things together. To prevent the routine from settling in the relationship, it is important to try new things together. This can be done through new and exciting activities, such as playing sports together, trying new food or drinks, or just going out to a place you have never been before. Experiencing new things together can bring new energy to the relationship, helping to keep the flame on. 5. Cultivate intimacy. Intimacy is an important element in any love relationship. It is important to cultivate it through simple gestures, such as hugs and kisses, caresses, and demonstrations of affection. Also, it is important to book time to be together and enjoy each other's company. This can be done through simple activities, such as watching a movie together or cooking together. 6. Keep the sense of humor. Humor sense is an important tool in any relationship. It is important to maintain a sense of humor is an important tool in any relationship. It is important to maintain a sense of humor and not take things so seriously all the time. Laughing together is a powerful way to connect and keep the flame on. Also, when we are laughing, we are more relaxed and open, which can help resolve conflicts and problems more easily and smoothly. 7. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can help keep the flame of love and passion on. It is important to thank the partner for the things he does for you, whether preparing a meal, helping with housework, or simply listening to you vent. Gratitude not only shows to the partner that you appreciate your actions, but it also helps to cultivate a feeling of connection and intimacy. 8. Keep individuality. Although it is important to spend time together, it is also important to maintain individuality in a relationship. Each person is unique and has their own interests and hobbies. It is important to respect and support the partner's interests, even if they are not the same as yours. This can help maintain each person's individuality and identity, which can be an important factor in maintaining the flame of love and passion on. 9. Learn to forgive. Forgiving is an important skill in any relationship. No one is perfect and we all make mistakes. It is important to learn to forgive your partner when he makes mistakes and asking for forgiveness when you make a mistake. Forgiveness helps cultivate a feeling of compassion and empathy, which can be an important factor in maintaining the flame of love and passion on. 10. Prioritize sexual intimacy. Sexual intimacy is an important element in any love relationship. It is important to prioritize sexual intimacy and be open to experimenting with new and different things in bed. In addition, it is important to openly communicate with your partner about your desires and sexual needs. Sexual intimacy can help maintain the flame of love and passion on, but it is important to remember that it is not the only way to maintain a healthy and happy relationship. Keeping the flame of love and passion on a relationship is not an easy task, but it is possible. It is important to cultivate open and honest communication, surprise your partner, keep romance alive, experience new things together, cultivate intimacy, maintain a sense of humor, practice gratitude, maintain individuality, learn to forgive, and prioritize sexual intimacy. By doing these things, you can help keep the flame of love and passion on, bringing joy, happiness, and connection to your love relationship. Remember that maintaining a healthy and happy relationship requires effort from both parties. It is important to work together as a team and support each other in all situations, whether good or bad. It is also important to remember that not every day will be perfect and that there will be ups and downs along the way. The important thing is to remember why you are together and keep working together to keep the flame on. Also, it is important to remember that love and passion are not static and can change over time. It is normal for passion to diminish as the relationship develops and the routine is established. However, this does not mean that love is over. Love is a conscious choice that must be nourished and cultivated over time. If you are having difficulty keeping the flame on your relationship, do not hesitate to seek professional help. A therapist can help you identify and overcome the challenges you are facing and develop strategies to maintain the flame of love and passion on your relationship. In short, maintaining the flame of love and passion on a relationship requires effort, dedication, and commitment from both parties. Cultivate open and honest communication. Keep romance alive. Experience new things together. Cultivate intimacy. Maintain a sense of humor. Practice gratitude. Maintain individuality. Learn to forgive and prioritize sexual intimacy are some of the strategies you can use to keep the flame on. Remember that love is a conscious choice and that, with work and dedication, you can cultivate a happy and healthy love relationship.